summer, according to a new survey. The muggy air. I hate that when it's all thick and sticky. Sunburns.
Oh, yeah.
And my people, we know sunburns well. Bugs.
Oh, yeah.
Let me just tell you, I love a tasty snack, evidently. And, most importantly, sweating.
Pick up meal on the right.
All of a sudden, like you got a bra full of
I don't think we need to.
Absolutely.
I don't think we need to hear this.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Playing the music you love from the 80s, 90s, and now. Soft Rock 94.1.
Hi, I'm Kevin Peterson, the host of Sunrise here in Everett.
Fine, we'll do
If
this.
you like listening to positive music, you'll love Sunrise.
On Soft Rock
We'll try
94.1.
one. She's over there.